Hey everyone, welcome to High School Dropouts Advice. Today we will talk about the difference between rich and wealthy. I'm sure for many out there this too is the same, but there's a very big difference and the lifestyle they live can be more different. So let us start breaking it down. Do you know when workers compare how much they make, they will ask, what is your hourly? If rich people are comparing, they will ask, what is your yearly salary? If wealthy people are comparing, they will ask, what is your net worth? So let me give you an example here. A guy who makes 350,000 a year is a rich guy. A guy having 4 million in assets is a wealthy guy. This might not explain you everything, so let's dig a little deeper. A rich guy is someone which biggest asset is himself because he is highly trained or educated in a certain field. He went to college and spent long time to become a professional in his field. He can be someone who is a very well paid professional like coders in the IT industry or a doctor in the medical field or attorneys, CPAs and other well paid professionals. They are people with a very successful image. They drive nice cars, have nice houses, have a respected job, and they are well educated. He is the driving force to make money. The money he gets is the result of his work. If he doesn't work, he doesn't get paid. The problem is, if a rich person is not working, everything will collapse. The $1 million house and the luxury car will fall behind in payments. Now, let us talk about the wealthy guy. The wealthy guy has 4 million in assets. The assets can be in real estate, stocks or businesses. From the asset, he generates around 350,000 a year in return. So he makes the same like the professional, the rich guy. But why is he wealthy and the other guy is rich? The difference is that the wealthy person makes his income completely passively with the value of his asset. He doesn't need to work and his money is working for him. He can take a 1-year vacation and his money would still grow. The rich guy on the other hand is making the money with his work. In other words, the rich guy became the asset to generate money and the wealthy guy bought or invested in the asset to make him money. The wealthy guy has built a money printing machine to print him money and the rich guy is painting the money by himself. Or in other words, the money has become the wealthy guy's slave and the rich guy became the slave of the money. Anyways, let us dig a little deeper so you can see more difference between a rich guy and a wealthy guy. If a rich guy wants to get paid more, he needs to work more. Or he needs to get promoted, which is connected with more work or more responsibilities. If a wealthy guy wants to get more income, he will just ask for another loan, invest them and make more money. Or he could sell some of his investment and use that money to put in investment with higher paying returns. The wealthy guy most likely work a couple hours a day or even less and all from home. He has a lot of his time for himself and his family. The rich guy on the other hand is working for someone most likely in an office and has to do business trips, have to meet clients or customers, and his time for his family is very limited. I think you already have a clearer picture what the difference between a rich guy and a wealthy guy is. The difference is how they make their money and how they use their money to make money. A rich guy isn't heavily invested as a wealthy guy, he relies more on his work, and the wealthy guy relies on his investments. A rich guy can become wealthy, but the problem is that many will not because they don't know the difference between wealthy and rich. They just think that they need to work harder, get another raise or get a promotion to solve their money problem, but the problem is themselves. So I hope you understand what the difference between a rich guy and a wealthy guy is, and I also hope that you found inspiration how to be a wealthy guy. There are a lot of ways to reach the mountaintop, but if you want to know how I did it, here's a video how I invest in real estate rentals. Please subscribe to my channel if you learned something. It will help me and the YouTube algorithm. Many thanks. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.